उठ कंकाल छिडु श्रृंखल जाग दुर्बल আজি उठुगत गौरव हृत गौरव मृत गौरव राजी. Got goosebumps, right? लोमो टांकुरी उठिला की. Odisha, the first state in India to be created on a linguistic basis much before independence. आमे किछि जानिनु कौन सी इतिहास. Good morning one and all present here. I am Anish Panda, an Odia, your host for the day. Tomorrow, on 1st April, we celebrate Utkala Divasa, a day that not only marks the creation of Odisha on 1st April of 1936, but also the struggle, sacrifice and vision of those who made it possible. Dreams are not just seen by those who sleep, but also are carried in the hearts of those who dare to change history. Utkala Divasa is incomplete without remembering the architects who built it. So, let's pray for those fighter souls with the Om chanting followed by the prayer. Uthare Utkala Santana, Uthibu tu kete dine, Puruba Gaurava Puruba Mahima, Padu nahi ki tora mane. Madhusudana Das, lovingly known as Utkala Gaurava, famously emphasized the importance of mother tongue in his fight for Odia identity and statehood. He founded the Utkala Sammilani in 1903, leading the campaign to unite Odia-speaking regions. Eminent people like Utkala Mani Gopabandhu Das and Fakir Mohan Senapati were pivotal in the fight to preserve Odia language. They believed in service and sacrifice for society.
Go go.
कौन चलছে এটি कौन चलছি ओ उत्कल दिवस पालन होची मुकिए आपण कुहत मुकिए
This seems no Raja Krishnanda Gajapati. Okay, Krishnanda Gajapati. I was confused with Utkala Gaurava Madhusudan Das, but this pagadi is there, no?
Yes, he is the Maharaja Krishna Chandra Gajapati of Paralakhimundi. He delivered critical speeches at the Round Table in London to form a linguistically based state. When told that others could articulate this better, he said that you may speak better language than myself, but how can you have the feeling of my Odia heart? Despite personal loss and political challenges, he remained committed to the cause. And because of his efforts, Odisha became a separate province on 1st April 1936. Here, I'll tell you a fun fact. Did you know Odisha's identity is shaped by its diverse dialects like Brahmpuri, Baleswari and Sambalpuri, and also enriched by 62 tribal communities, each with a unique language, traditions and cultural heritage. The Government of India officially accorded classical language status to Odisha on February 20, 2014. It is now one of the 6 languages to receive this prestigious distinction, joining Tamil, Sanskrit, Kannada, Telugu and Malayalam. Odia was the first Indo-Aryan language to be granted this status, and it is noted for having a distinct literary tradition that was not borrowed from other languages. Just like our state anthem. As we celebrate Utkala Divas, let us not just remember history, but learn from it. As we conclude, let us carry forward the spirit of Utkal Divas with pride, unity and a commitment to build a stronger Odisha.
ମାତୃଭୂମି ମାତୃଭାଷାରେ ମମତା ଯାହା ହୃଦୟ ଜନମି ନାହିଁ ତାକୁ ଯଦି ଜ୍ଞାନୀ ଗଣରେ ଗଣିବା ଅଜ୍ଞାନ ରହିବେ କାହିଁ।
जय जगन्नाथ, जय ओडिशा।
सुप्रभात। वंदे उत्कल जननी गजपति कृष्णचंद्र महा बहुत बढ़िया है बहुत बढ़िया आज परिवेशन कले समस्ते समस्त गोटे करताली दि जाऊ अनिल सार ये दीप्ति मैडम सेपटे दीप्ति पंडा मैडम अच्छा हाँ हाँ न्यूट्रेड यस हाँ झरणा मैडम समस्ते बहुत भल कले पिला माने बहुत भल है समस्त में आउ गोटे बड़ जोर कर लेंका सारी टीम टाक रखते समस्ते आ समस्त भावुचे गोटे बहुत भल सी जी स्पीच भी कला सडनली डिड वेल सो नाइस ऑफ आईसी वेल डन आउ ऑन इस तो ऑलवेज रॉक स्टेज सो थैंक यू वेरी मच आउ एटा समस्त गोटे गौरव विषय आमे हम देश हो राज्य हो सब गौरवान्वित मन करवा आउ स्कूल टाक भी आम गौरवान्वित मन करवा थैंक यू